Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Universally purifying springs and streams, dust-free pure eye, roaring everywhere, rescuing sentient beings, heatless pure light, universally causing joy, supreme banner of extensive virtue, light shining on all worlds, light of oceanic virtues, all of them diligently concentrated on benefiting living beings. There were also innumerable ocean spirits, led by such spirits as producing jewel light, diamond banner, undefiled, palaces in all waters, auspicious jewel moon, beautiful flower dragon topknot, everywhere holding the flavor of light, jewel flame flower light, beautiful diamond topknot, thunder of the ocean tide. They had all filled their bodies with the great ocean of virtues of the Buddhas. There were also innumerable water spirits, led by such spirits as ubiquitous cloud banner, cloud-like sound of the ocean tide, beautiful round topknot, whirlpool of skills, store of undefiled fragrance, virtue bridge light sound, freedom of contentment, good sound of pure joy, everywhere manifesting awesome light, roaring sound filling the sea. They always diligently strive to rescue and protect all beings. There were also countless fire spirits, led by such spirits as repository of flames of universal light, banner of universal assembly of light, great light shining everywhere, palace of wonders, inexhaustible light topknot, eyes of various flames, palaces in all directions like polar mountains, sovereign of awesome light, light destroying the darkness, thunder and lightning. All of them manifested various kinds of light, causing the irritations of sentient beings to vanish. There were also innumerable wind spirits, led by such spirits as unimpeded light, everywhere manifesting courageous action. Wind striking cloud banner, arrays of light, power able to dry up water, great voice howling everywhere, tree branch hanging topknot, unimpeded wherever it goes, various mansions, great light shining everywhere. They all work to dispel the mentality of conceit. There were also innumerable space spirits, led by such spirits as pure light shining all around.